How to free up disk space in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can free up disk space in Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is we'll delete temporary files. For that, press Windows plus R key to open up your run. After you've done that, here you will need to type in temp and hit OK. So this will open up all the temporary files on your device. So these are all the temporary files. You can Control A, select all, and then press Shift Delete. Doing this will permanently delete all your temporary files. Do that and delete your temporary files. Now, again, what we'll do is we'll head over to temp again, but this time keep it inside 2% signs like this. After you do that and hit OK, you can now select all right here, and then again, Shift Delete. Doing that will delete your again temporary files, and after that you can then again delete another file. For that you can simply search for prefetch in your run, and again to open up your run press Windows plus R key, or you can simply search for it on your Windows. So give it permission to access this folder, and there we go. Here you can again Control A and then Shift Delete. Do all those and you can delete your temporary files. Doing that will give you some storage space available. Now what you can do is simply search for disk cleanup on your search bar on your Windows, and there we go. That's open now. Now you can select what you want to delete. So you can select your Windows thumbnails, temporary files, and different stuff. So you can select everything here. So there you can see my recycle bin has up to almost 3 GBs of data. So I can select here and then tap on delete here. So yeah, you can select files to delete and then tap on OK to delete them. Doing that will also give you storage space on your disk. And yeah, those are the ways you can get disk space, guys. Now, there are other advanced methods as well, which I will not be discussing here. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.